Hi everybody, today we're going to share with you the very simple recipe which the pan-fried Saba fish. You can have this in the restaurant, in the Korean food or the Japanese food, but it's so easy to prepare at home. We buy this from the supermarket, usually it's frozen, and then you defrost it, and then you can put a little bit of seasoning before you pan-fry this. And then for the garnishing, we have the garlic, and which we're going to use the cabbage. For the ingredients, we're going to use the teriyaki sauce and also a little bit of pepper and salt. For seasoning, just lightly season it with some salt and pepper. And set this aside for about 30 minutes. And you can put this on the plate with a kitchen towel so that the skin will be dry. Okay, set this aside for about 30 minutes, then you can pan fry it later. For the cabbage, you put in some oil in the pan and then you put in the garlic. Stir fry the garlic. As the garlic is cooked, is ready, you put in your cabbage. Put in the salt and pepper for seasoning. And stir fry it. Once the cabbage is done, set it on the serving plate and then wait for the fish to be cooked and you can put it together. To pan fry the Saba fish, heat up the oil in the pan and then once it's hot, put in the Saba fish with the skin facing downward. After about 3 minutes of frying on the skin, and then you can turn it over to fry the other side. After you have pan fried the Saba fish, okay, put it on the serving plate and then you can put in your teriyaki sauce. And this shall be ready to eat. Okay, it's very simple to do. You can find the Saba fish in the frozen department of the supermarket, and it's very easy to available. And you can try this recipe yourself at home. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and see you. Thank you.